scene says, "Follow me." Dare I follow my window unit? Why? Where's that bitch gonna go? Why? Should I? No, the light's not on. Perhaps it's just saying, be cool. No. I have solved the mystery. For the follow me setting is for the remote that I've misplaced. See, it just picks up the temperature wherever you're at. That wasn't very fun. Until next time, you know what to do.